The AquaStone range is made up of 20 plank, herringbone and tile effect finishes. There are 10 stunning plank decors to choose from, ranging from the clean and modern grey frost to the rich and vibrant autumnal oak. The AquaStone range has something to offer any home stylist. 6 decors have also been applied to the gorgeous herringbone designs, giving you the choice between traditional straight plank and the much loved herringbone pattern. And finally, the AquaStone range also offers 4 tile effect finishes, ranging from the sleek and stylish white marble to the industrial style nacre grey. The AquaStone range features a huge range of benefits. A 1.5mm underlay is already attached to the boards, not only saving cost but also saving time when fitting. The range is completely waterproof, making it perfect for bathrooms and kitchens, and with a 20-year residential warranty, you can rest assured that the AquaStone range can hold up against the toll of daily life. The full range is compatible with water-based underfloor heating systems, and due to the class-leading fitting system, laying couldn't be easier. Ensuring that your goods are at a perfect 90-degree angle to each other, simply engage the long joint, bringing the short joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. Lower and push down on the short joint until you hear a click. Ensure that the joint is fully engaged along its length, and you move on to the next one.